Crafters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Altea. Today I have a very interesting project. This will be the first video of 5 where I will show you how you can also crochet this adorable bunny wall hanger for a little girl's nursery room. Basically, I will be using a method called Intarsia, which is single crochets mainly, and it's very easy to make. I will be linking the graph pattern down below for you so you can follow along. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel down below, and also hit that bell so you'll be notified with my part 2 of this series. So, ready to get hooked? Today I will be working a method called Intarsia, and I will be working in rows. For this amigurumi wall hanger, we will be following a graph. Each square represents a single crochet. We will be reading this pattern back and forth. Row 1 is read from right to left, and row 2 is read from left to right. Keep in mind that you will have a right side and a wrong side, where you will be able to see the changes done. We will start off the base by making a slip knot and chain 48 chains. These 48 chains will be our first row in our graph. The size of your wall hanger may differ from mine if you use different yarn, and also the tension of how you work. When the chains are done, turn and single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet once into each chain. Turn, chain 2, and single crochet into the first 12 spaces. To change the color, we will leave the last stitch unworked. If you're on the right side, we would leave the tail at the back. Grab the new color and pull it through. Now you may work using the new color. You may also hide its tail by working it in between, and also you may carry the yarn in between. But be careful when carrying the yarn because colors might be visible from beneath. Ideally, you join another ball of yarn to work the other side, but I will show you how you can do both. Change color once again by leaving the last single crochet unworked, join pink, drop the white, and work in single crochets until end. Chain 2 and single crochet 13 until we require to change to white. Since I am now working on the wrong side, I will bring the pink in front of my last unworked stitch. Grab the white, yarn over and pull through.
I will now work my single crochet in white and join another 2 balls of yarn or 2 bobbins from your other yarn balls, since I'm using 2 threads for a fuller look. Bring the white in front of my last unworked stitch and join the pink. Pull the tails if loops are too loose. Keep working from left to right and right to left, following the pattern provided in description down below. Once you have worked the last row of changing colors, you may cut the white yarn and also the pink, since we will only use one source of pink. I will keep working my row, hiding the white and pink tails as I go along, or you may choose to weave them in, totally up to you. working your way up in pink, then leave a long tail as we'll be using it to attach our rod, about 2 meters to be safe. This is my right side of work, and if I turn, this is how the back side will look. You will have small strands of yarn going through visible. The base and foundation for our amigurumi bunny wall hanger is done. I will set this aside and work on the pop-up parts of my bunny, which I will be showing you next week. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, you may hit that bell to be notified when part 2 is up. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!